Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use local mount in InstaWP. It's our very new feature. And to begin, let's create a website. Doing so is very easy with InstaWP. You just need to select a plan as per your convenience and need and click on create site. You will have your site ready in seconds. And local mount is a powerful feature which lets you assess your cloud based WordPress site like it's a regular folder on your computer. So you just need to go to site setting, enable mount, and you will see the credentials. Next, you will have to go to your main folder, this PC, and go to computer, click on computer, and you will see the option to map network drive. Make sure before that you have enabled advanced sharing settings for your Windows system. So once you click on map network drive, you will have to copy the site's URL and paste it in the folders option. Yeah, once it's done, you will have to like check the connect using different credentials checkbox and create the connection. Next, you have to copy the username and password. So once it is done, you will be able to access your site as if it is a local site for your system. Our feature works for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, but this tutorial is dedicated to Windows. However, you can check our other tutorial, which is on Mac OS. So it's really fast way and a secure way to work across all your projects as if you're working in a local environment. It's perfect for developers who want the convenience of local editing with the power of cloud hosting.